They told me AI was coming for my job. I didn't believe it. Until my manager brought in a robot to help with recruitment. Believe it or not, that might be the future of HR. HR is changing faster than ever. And AI is right at the center of it all. But here's the problem. Most people believe things about AI in HR that simply aren't true. Before we continue, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's delve in, debunking some HR versus AI myth. Myth. AI will replace all HR jobs. Truth. AI can't read emotions, build trust, or handle sensitive conversations. It needs humans for that. Myth. AI is 100% fair. Truth. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. That's why HR still needs people to check and balance it. Myth. AI knows everything about candidates. Truth. AI can scan resumes fast, but it can't see the human potential behind the words. So AI is a tool, not a replacement. It's like giving HR professionals superpowers. Faster screening, better matches, and smarter decisions. AI can make HR more human. By automating admin tasks, HR can spend more time connecting with people, not chasing paperwork. So no, AI isn't here to take over, it's here to work with us. Question is, are you ready to work with it? See you in the next video.